take my time, flex like whoa. I take my time, jets, let's go. I take my time, flex like whoa, tell them bye though.
You know what, a lot of people that watch my YouTube videos, they're kind of almost restricted because they've got family members, maybe their partner, who they love with all their heart, is really skeptical. Don't go to the crash course, it's a pipe dream. And usually a partner that says that is actually trying to protect you, and they do want the best for you. Of course they do, otherwise they wouldn't be with you. And as it's Valentine's Day today, I thought I'd give some relationship advice. So here's my advice. My advice is, if your spouse, husband, wife, girlfriend, boyfriend, is not really fully supporting you in your property journey or as an entrepreneur, would be, don't try and win them over. Don't try and win them over with words. Just show them. Let the results speak for themselves. Don't defend your position. Just let the results speak for themselves. Go and package and sell a deal and make £2,000, and then use that money to take them on a beautiful little holiday somewhere. Or buy them a frigging Gucci handbag or whatever it might be. But just show them, let the money speak, because ultimately if you're making money and you do, that is the results. So if you're watching this and you've got a miserable partner, don't try and win them over. Don't try and get their approval. Just show them your results. If they're not happy at that point, if you've made some money and they're still not happy, then maybe you need to find a new partner. But I can't say that because today's Valentine's Day, so I've got to keep it positive. So that's my advice. So right now I'm just backstage. Those guys. Hey, Glenn Kirkham.
Hello, mate. How you doing?
It's really, yeah, it sounds to me like